All right, guys, let's get right to it. Let's take a look at what we get in the box. So this is the drone only variation. There's a couple of other variations of this that you can order with different bundles, but let's take a look at exactly what comes in the box. So starting off, you have this little tab up here at the top, and you're just going to pull, it's a little pull tab. Just pull that tab to open this up. All right, so let's go ahead and pull a few of these things out. First thing we start off with is going to be like our little manual with stickers, things like that that you always get from DJI. I'm always a fan of these. I have to be honest, I haven't placed any of these stickers on anything, but I do have a box that I keep all of these different DJI manuals and things like that in case I ever need them. I can quickly access them. Again, you get the little screwdriver that comes with it and our super cool little DJI stickers. All right, what else do we have in the box? All right, so we have two of these spare propellers. So you get two sets of spare propellers. One is left, one is right, and you can determine which is which by the little markings that are on there. You guys can probably see there's little orange markings on here, but there are no markings on this second one here. So if you have to replace your propellers, just make sure to take a look at which is A and which is B. You also receive a USB-C to USB-C cable. That's going to be for charging and transferring data. Let's get to the main event. That's going to be this little drone. I can tell you it's very lightweight in comparison to my other drones, especially the Air 3S over here. All right, guys, so first impressions, it is, lightweight. These little propeller guards feel nice enough on here. Like they're definitely going to offer some protection. As you guys can see here in the back, we have our USB. We also have our obstacle avoidance cameras, one here at the top, a second one here at the bottom that you guys should be able to see. All of our control buttons are going to be here on the side. So these two buttons here are going to be for selection. This button here is going to be for launching. On the top here, you guys can see the battery. The battery has these two little tabs you just press in to remove. As we come around to the front, we have our LiDAR on this side. We have our indicator light right here. And we also have our little screen on this side as well that, lets us know what mode we're in. Now to remove this, you're just going to press and remove like so. Now this is a 2-axis gimbal. Really nice design, guys. Very lightweight. And like I said, in comparison to one of my bigger drones, this is going to be a lot of fun to just throw in a camera bag, a backpack, whatever the case it is, to take out with you. Now, I have not received the transmission module yet, but that should be coming in soon. As soon as I get that in, I'll show you guys how to install that, how to set it up so that you'll be able to use it for, things like controlling the drone with one of these RC controllers or the FPV goggles and, controller for that as well. If you guys are interested in this drone, I can honestly tell you, I am a huge fan of these DJI drones. The smart features are incredible. This has 4 different ways that you can fly this drone. You can fly it from built-in presets. You can use your smartphone to control this drone. You can use, obviously, with the transmitter. You can control it with an RC2 controller, or you can also use their FPV controller or the joystick controller. So those are going to stay in the same category as 3. And then you also can control this drone with your Apple Watch. So that's a new feature that was just recently added, where you can actually connect your Apple Watch to your smart device, your phone, whatever the case is going to be, and you'll be able to access that feature on your Apple Watch, and you'll be able to do basic functions, the same type of functions you'll be able to do with your smartphone. All right, guys, so if you're looking for a portable drone that's going to travel well with you, that is very durable, a great starter drone for FPV or just, cinematic style recording, this is a 4K drone, 60 frames a second, up to 100 frames a second with a controller. So a lot of built-in features, easy to fly, obstacle avoidance, LiDAR. This guy is a win. All right, guys, I've been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.